Hey there, and thank you for gifting yourself these next few minutes. It's important to remember you are a priority. Allowing yourself even just a few short minutes of intentional reflection can truly have a positive impact on the rest of your day. So let's use this time to come back to center and set an intention for the rest of your day. Move into a comfortable position, whether you're seated at your desk, lying on the couch, at home, or simply taking a pause in between moments. Gently close your eyes and shift all of your attention to your breathing. Start taking slower, deeper breaths than you've taken all day so far. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. And continue breathing this way, feeling your lungs expand outward as you inhale and contract gently inward as you exhale. Now, tune into your body. Notice how it feels. Is there anything it's trying to tell you? Notice any places of tension or tightness, and give those areas permission to relax. Send a little love into those places. Thank your body for taking such good care of you. Let it know it's okay to rest and relax for these next few moments. You may notice that your mind starts to wander. That's natural. Just notice it and gently bring your attention back to your body, using your breath as your anchor. Now, try to picture one thing that's happened today that made you smile or made you feel thankful or appreciative. Let that feeling fill you up for a moment. Breathe that feeling in from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, and allow yourself to smile if that feels natural. Now, focus on something you can do today, whether for yourself or someone else, that will allow you to continue feeling this way. It could be something simple, like deciding to go to bed early tonight so you finally have time to read that book that's been sitting on your bedside table. Or maybe the joy of having dinner with a close friend. What's one little thing you can plan for your day to bring intentional joy into it? Just focus on that for a moment. Sit in that feeling of joy and peace. Now, let's take a few more deep breaths together. Take a deep breath in, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale slowly, feeling everything soften and return inward. Again, an even deeper breath than before. Hold it gently for a moment, and exhale it all out. And now, one last breath. Your deepest breath yet. Send that breath through your entire body, from head to toe, and let it all go with the exhale. Now, in your own time, begin to bring your awareness back to where you are. Thank yourself for taking these few minutes to be intentional and kind to you. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day.